All right, so I know that moms have concerns about their children, right? He's been taken to the back. There's banging on the back. He's the only person back there. And so I want you to know nobody has harmed him or hurt him. Your counsel, the counsel for your son, asked for a short break so they can explain to him as far as what's coming in and why it's coming in. But it appears that he doesn't want to hear that. So this trial is going to continue. Punishment may continue without him. I would hate for him to be brought out strapped down, which is what will end up happening, because the deputies don't want to bring him out because...
Right away, the judge makes it clear this trial is moving forward with or without the defendant. That's huge. Skipping court doesn't pause justice. It just makes things worse. What would you do if you were in his shoes?
Things may happen. So that's where we are. And
we are very much looking forward to a vigorous cross as soon as it's our turn.
Okay. Well,
Notice this. Judges don't throw around threats lightly. When she says he could be strapped down and brought in, that's not a bluff. Courtrooms balance fairness with security, and right now, security is winning.
Do you think talking to your son is going to help calm him down? That's what I need to know.
well, the only thing is I don't know if the deputies would allow you in the back or not. All right. Deputy Mahia, Deputy Laura, is it? All right. So, but he's not going to be released from the cell.
No, he's inside the cell.
Okay. So he's inside the cell, so that this trial can continue. I'll allow you to go back there, but you're going to have to leave your purse and everything out here. You can leave it there. No one will bother it. And yes.
Okay.
State, do you have any objections to her speaking to him?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I had one other thing I wanted to mention to the court with the state present.
Yes.
At the beginning of the trial, we urged a general motion to eliminate that.
Well, let's take care of this first, and then I'll take care of that. Okay. So if you'll, I'll go back there with his mom and the other attorney, please. Do you want to keep the cuffs on? Do you feel that's best for now?
Yes.
All right. So the cuffs are going to remain on for now.
Cover them with this suit, pardon me?
Yes.
Judge, we think that'd be highly prejudicial. I'm the one that's sitting next to him.
That is true.
I mean, he just needs to hide the handcuffs, and we'll see how he does. And if he proves that he can remain.
Here's the clash. Defense wants the cuffs off, claiming it prejudices the jury. Makes sense. Handcuffs scream guilty before a word is said. But the judge? She's not convinced he can stay calm. Who do you think has the stronger argument here?
Calm, then the jury won't see him. And what I can do is, when the jury comes in, everyone just remains seated. And what I'll tell the jury is everyone is remaining seated because I request that they remain seated. And I'll say something because of the microphones. So that way they won't know.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Could we request for the record that Mr. Morganfield be uncuffed at this time?
Oh, we can go on the record. All right. You're requesting that he be uncuffed. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, due to the prejudicial nature, and he has assured the court that he will be calm.
All right. So,
put it on the record.
all right. Thank you. So that will be denied. And so that the record is clear, Mr. Morganfield became disruptive in the courtroom. The court took a recess at approximately, I believe it was 2:13. And I told the jury that we would be back at 2:20. And I allowed Mr. Morganfield's mother to speak with him. The deputies took Mr. Morganfield back in the holding cells. Mr. Morganfield was banging on the holding cells, being disrupted from the back. Both defense counsel thought that his mother would be able to calm him down. His mother was allowed to go into the back. I could still hear yelling from Mr. Morganfield in the back. And we are here at 2:46. And the reason why we are here at 2:46 is because it took 20 minutes for Mr. Morganfield to come down. So the court will have Mr. Morganfield remain with handcuffs on. If Mr. Morganfield is able to not be disrupted with the handcuffs on, then the court will consider, of course, with input from the deputies who are in charge with security, whether or not they should be removed. Off the record, the court has been informed, both the state and the defense and Mr. Morganfield, that they are to remain seated when the jury comes in, so that the jury will think there is no disrespect to the court or them. The court will instruct the jurors that I have asked both the defense and the state and Mr. Morganfield to remain seated for technical, logical reasons. And for the record, from here, you cannot see that Mr. Morganfield is handcuffed because his shirt is covering the cuffs.
Judge, he also has leg restraints on, also, which I think the jury will see.
And the
All
shirt
right.
is not covering the cuffs.
Leg restraints too. Think about that. This isn't just about justice, it's about control. The court is literally building barriers so the jury doesn't see the chaos behind the scenes. It's legal theater at its finest.
Yes, I'm clearly know what I'm doing. I'm sorry.
All right, Deputy Mejia and Deputy Laura, with regards to the handcuffs to the legs for courtroom safety, do you believe that those should remain?
Yes, Judge.
All right, those will remain. Mr. Morganfield, you will just need to put your legs in between the two legs of the desk.
Will we put a box underneath it, maybe to hide it?
Yes. Yes.
Judge, can I say-
And so for the record, the wooden cabinet is being moved in front of Mr. Morganfield's legs, and the jury will not be able to see his legs. It rolls, Mr. Cantrell.
Judge, you have to say something, please?
No.
Ask question.
No. All right, we're going to bring the jurors in.
Here's the moment, verdict time. Guilty on count 1, sexual assault of a child, but not guilty on counts 2 and 3. That split verdict says a lot. The jury believes some of the case, but not all. Why do you think that is?
The verdict form appears to be in proper order. If the defendant could rise, please. Okay, count 1 verdict form reads, we the jury find the defendant, Alexis Morganfield, guilty of the offense of sexual assault of a child as charged in count 1 of the indictment. Count 2 reads, we the jury find the defendant, Alexis Morganfield, not guilty of count 2. Count 3 reads, we the jury find the defendant, Alexis Morganfield, not guilty of count.
6 years in prison. Just like that, the jury's word becomes the judge's sentence. Notice how fast it happens. Months of testimony, days of trial, and the punishment lands in under a minute. Justice moves quick once the verdict is in.
Have the record reflect that it's Alexis Morganfield Jr. and Alexis Morganfield Jr. will be on the judges.
Thank you. And that will be reflected in the Ware County computer system as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Morganfield.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to impose the jury's verdict, which is for 6 years in the prison. I'll give you credit for any time served, and there will be Chapter 62 registration. Did you have a chance to review the document entitled Trial Court Certification with your attorneys, and did you understand it?
We did, and he just signed it, Your Honor.
Well, you do have a right to appeal because this is not plea bargaining. This is a jury trial case. Defense, are you planning on handling the appeal, or you're not?
I will not be, Your Honor.
And
But we will take the appropriate next steps within the next day.
we'll be following a motion for new trial promptly, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. This is for your client.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Cantrell, you have another case with Mr. Morganfield. This is
Yeah, read that date, but she did take it off tomorrow's docket.
all right. So if you can drop by tomorrow, and we'll make sure get you a date, or call in to get a date for the other cases.
Yes, ma'am. My client wanted to.
We'll answer that question.
Your attorneys will have to speak to you with regards to parole eligibility. I don't have any control over that. My only job is to make sure that you receive all of the appropriate credit. And your attorneys will speak with the clerks to make sure that the appropriate credit is in the system.
Okay, you say you're gonna give me that house arrest at bedtime.
No, not for house arrest.
I thought that's what you was gonna do.
The law says she can.
Not for house arrest.
It's it's not. So what do you mean? You said I have to do that registered thing.
Under 42017, there's a provision where it may become cancelable in the future due to your age,